Thanks for checking out this Aweber video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around at the end for some awesome suggested content. When building your landing page, your sign-up form is one of the most important parts. Here are some things to consider when putting together your sign-up form for your landing page. So down here we have our form. If your page doesn't have a form yet, you can always drag it using that form element. Over here on the right, you'll be able to control the design and the submission of your form. Let's check out the design first. Here's where we can add different fields to our form. If we already have custom fields built, we can add them using the drop-down menu, or click the custom fields link to go over to a page to create our own custom fields. And for example, maybe instead of favorite color, we want to ask people for their favorite food. So we'll add that field. Don't forget to save. And then going back to our page, we'll remove that favorite color field and add the favorite food one. Now additionally, we can change the fonts or even the text color. And we can also change the form type, how those fields are arranged. Going over to submission, this is where we can change things like the thank you page that's displayed. We've got a generic one that will display by default, or you can use your own custom thank you page. Using Aweber, you can actually build a separate landing page as its own thank you page. We'll just give it a name real quick here. You can change and adjust any of the text or the images here. But real quick, we'll publish this thank you page. We'll copy the link. And then we can add that to our custom URL for our thank you page. So right there, just inside Aweber, you can build the main page and the thank you page. There's an already subscribed page that people see if they've already signed up to your list. And we can also add tags via this form. And this is super important because we can use these tags to kick off different automated email campaigns. So what are you waiting for? Why not take what you just learned and try it out in Aweber today? And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.